Hello friend, welcome back to our new video. Today we discuss on the topic of Kirchhoff's law. Kirchhoff's circuit law lies at the heart of circuit analysis. With the help of these law and the equations for individual components resistor, capacitor and inductor, we have the basis tools to start analyzing circuit. In this article, we will discuss Kirchhoff's current and voltage law and how to apply them in the circuit analysis. Table of contents. History about Gustav Robert Kirchhoff. What are Kirchhoff's law? Kirchhoff's first law or Kirchhoff's current law. Kirchhoff's second law or Kirchhoff's voltage law. Kirchhoff's laws are an example. Frequently asked questions. History about Gustav Robert Kirchhoff. Gustav Robert Kirchhoff, a German physicist, was born on March 12, 1824, in Königsberg, Prussia. His first research topic was the conduction of electricity. This research led to Kirchhoff formulating the laws of closed electric circuit in 1845. These laws were eventually named after Kirchhoff and are now known as Kirchhoff's voltage and current laws. Since these laws apply to all electric circuits, understanding their fundamental is paramount is understanding how an electronic circuit functions. Although these laws have immortalized Kirchhoff in electrical engineering, he has additional discoveries. He was the first person to verify that an electrical impulse traveled at the speed of light. Furthermore, Kirchhoff made a major contribution to the study of spectroscopy, and he advanced the research into black body radiations. What are Kirchhoff's laws? In 1845, a German physicist, Gustav Kirchhoff, developed a pair of laws that deal with the conservation of current and energy within the electrical circuit. These two laws are commonly known as Kirchhoff's voltage and current law. These laws help calculate the electrical resistance of a complex network or independence in the case of AC and the current flow in different network streams. In the next section, let us look at what these laws state. Kirchhoff's current law goes by several names: Kirchhoff's first law and Kirchhoff's junction rule. According to the junction rule, the total of the current in a junction is equal to the sum of current outside the junction in a circuit. Kirchhoff's voltage law goes by several names: Kirchhoff's second law and Kirchhoff's loop rule. According to the loop rule, the sum of the voltage around the closed loop is equal to null. Kirchhoff's first law or Kirchhoff's current law. According to Kirchhoff's current law, the total current entering a junction or a node is equal to the charge leaving the node as no charge is lost. Put differently, the algebraic sum of every current entering the leaving the node has to be null. This property of Kirchhoff's law is commonly called conservation of charge, where I exit plus I enter equal to zero. In the above figure, the current I1, I2, and I3 entering the node is considered positive. Likewise, current I4 and I5 exiting the nodes is considered negative in value. This can be expressed in the form of equation current 1 plus current 2 plus current 3 minus current 4 minus current 5 equal to 0. A node refers to a junction connecting two or more current-carrying rods like cables and other components. Kirchhoff's current law can also be applied to analyze parallel circuit. Kirchhoff's second law or Kirchhoff's voltage law. According to Kirchhoff's voltage law, the voltage around a loop equals the sum of every voltage drop in the same loop for any closed network and equal zero. Put differently, algebraic sum of every voltage in the loop has to be equal to zero, and its property of Kirchhoff's law is called conservation of energy. Kirchhoff's second law: when you begin at any point of the loop and continue in the same direction, note the voltage drops in all negative or positive directions and return to the same point. It is essential to maintain the direction either counterclockwise or clockwise, otherwise the final voltage value will not be zero. The voltage law can also be applied in analyzing circuits in series. When either AC circuit or DC circuit are analyzed based on Kirchhoff's circuit's law, you need to be clear with all the terminologies and definitions. All the describes the circuit components like both paths, nodes, meshes, and loops. Kirchhoff's law solved examples if R1 equal to 2 column, R2 equal to 4 columns, R3 equal to 6 columns. Determine the electric current that follows in circuit below. Solution following are the things that you should keep in the mind while approaching the problem. You need to choose the direction of the current in this problem. Let us choose the clockwise direction. When the current flows across the resistor, there is a potential decrease, hence VIR is sign negative. If the current moves from low to high, then the electric EMF is sign positive because the energy charging at the EMF source. Likewise, if the current moves from high to low voltage, then the source of electromotive force is sign negative because the impeding of energy at the EMF source. In the solution, the direction of current is the same as the direction of clockwise rotations. Substituting the value in the equation, we get I is equal to 0.416 ampere. The electric current that follows in the circuit is the electric current is a sign positive, which means that the direction of the electric current is the same as the direction of clockwise rotation. If the electric current is negative, then the direction of current would be anti-clockwise direction. Related links: conservation of charge, conservation of energy, circuit in series and parallel. Frequently asked question. Question number one: state Kirchhoff's current law. Kirchhoff's current law states that the total current entering a junction or a node equals the charge leaving the node, as no charge is lost. Question two: what is Kirchhoff's first law, also known as Kirchhoff's first law, is also known as Kirchhoff's current law. Question number three: state Kirchhoff's voltage law. Kirchhoff's voltage law states that the voltage around a loop equals the sum of every voltage drop in the same loop for any closed network and equals zero. Question number four: who puts forth Kirchhoff's law? Kirchhoff's law were put forth by Gustav Robert Kirchhoff. Question number five and last. Kirchhoff's second law is also known as Kirchhoff's second law is also known as Kirchhoff's voltage law.